Let the style of the 2025 RS Q8 not mislead you. Benevolent on appearance, its running gear is exactly that of the fierce, wild Lamborghini Urus SUV. The RS Q8 dials in Lambo chasing performance based on the basic Q8 SUV with a twin-turbo V8 engine kicking asphalt through an 8-speed transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Although handling is quick and easy, the RS Q8 can also mind its manners and offer a comfortable journey when needed. The cabin is loaded with electronics featuring various digital screens and networking tools and covered in first-rate materials. Although the RS Q8 fetches a premium price as the halo car for Audi's SUV range, keep in mind that a Urus costs $100,000 more even if its six-figure bottom line may look startling. Comparatively to the 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of RS Q8, the basic twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 generates 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Along with a 48-volt hybrid system running behind the scenes to increase fuel economy, the RS Q8's engine couples with Quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Using electric motors to provide more roll stiffness into the suspension system is needed in extreme cornering. The performance trim increases power to 631 ponies and adds a self-locking center differential and an electromechanical active roll stabilization system. Though it has some unique trim pieces and sportier, more forcefully bolstered front seats to hold you in place when turning, the 5-seat cabin of the RS Q8 is essentially the same as that of the Q8. Additionally strewn throughout are RS logos. From the ordinary Q8 model, passenger and cargo capacity carries over unaltered, therefore providing sufficient of legroom and headroom for people in both rows of seats. In our testing, the Q8 carried 23 in total with the rear seat folded and 8 carry-on bags under the back seat. On the RS Q8, Audi provides many driver assistance features like lane keeping aid and adaptive cruise control. See the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites for further details regarding the crash test findings for the RS Q8. Important safety elements consist: standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure alert combined with lane keeping aid, regular adaptive cruise control.